Hey everyone, thank you for joining me. In this video we're going to do 4 easy ways to start a fire part 2. We did part 1 about 3 years ago. People seemed to like it, gave me a few ideas, so we're going to do part 2. Now if you like this kind of content, hit the like button. If you want to see more, consider subscribing. With that out of the way, let's hit the intro and we'll start. Okay, in the last video what we did was we took a fat stick. Fat stick again is sap soaked dead wood, pine wood basically, and we made shavings. We took the edge of we just basically made them Instagram bushcrafty shavings, them curls. This is a time-consuming and annoying process. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to take a sharp spine. You can use a spine, you can use the rock, you can use anything that's got a scrape on it. You can use the blade of your knife like this. And we're going to scrape the wood and try to collect some of those curls down there. And that's really all it takes. If you got your tinder all situated, just put that together. Grab your ferro rod, put some sparks on it, and it lights right away. It's pretty simple, pretty well-known method. That's by far the easiest way to light fat wood. The second method hopefully works because we've already done it, and that is to take an old piece of paper and some chapstick. Now, any kind of chapstick will work, and what we're going to do is just going to color on this piece of paper with the chapstick. Kind of goop it up a bit. Just get a healthy amount on there. You need to start a fire. That's in the winter. It's more important than having nicely moisturized lips. And then what you're going to do is you're going to rip the paper up. Just take it and make shreds of paper here. Losing my chapstick. It helps if you put the chapstick face it together, because it does not wish to, it'll slide on your fingers and be hard to tear. And try to get as many pieces small as you can. Hopefully talking is making sense. Again, it is damp out here, so this is probably going to take a few sparks to start, but that's alright. Come on. Like I said, your fingers will slip. Now take these pieces, kind of crumple them together, and if you've got a rough surface, you can rub them against the rough surface. It kind of releases more of those fibers. And then stick your ferro rod right into it, and then give it some sparks. I said damp wood, it's not your damp paper's not your friend. But I believe in it, and there it goes. Another easy way to get a fire started. Make sure you take care of it because it's paper. It's damp paper, at least in my case. So there you go. That is method number 2 of getting a little fire going. Put your kindling on there, and away you go. Everyone's happy. All right, method number 2. We're going with a good oldie but a goodie. Petroleum jelly. This is just some dollar store stuff. I got it pretty cheap. Like I said, dollar store. Just take a paper towel, cotton balls, even toilet paper works. Here's the cotton ball. We already burned our toilet paper doing version 1 of this when I was recording at the wrong frame rate. Either one of these, the paper towel or the cotton, either one of them, easy breezy. Grab your ferro rod. Throw a spark at it and it will ignite. Last time the paper towel ignited easier. Okay, and that will literally burn like a candle. It'll keep going until it consumes all of that, all of the petroleum jelly that's in there. It's like wax. So that right there, I used to keep a bag of cotton balls just for this kind of thing. So that is method number 3. Burn your fingers off. I'll let that go. The third and final method of how to get a fire is hand sanitizer. And post-COVID, we got sanitizers everywhere. So you just take this. You don't even need to do anything with it. Just stick it on a surface. The surface can be wet if you want. Throw some sparks at it, and it'll ignite. Now, the flame is almost invisible. It's quite blue, but it's very hot. You can mix it with anything else you want to mix it with. You can put... let's smoke everywhere now. You can put it on paper towel, cotton ball, anything. I used to have a baggie that I kept with my fire kit that had cotton balls and hand sanitizer in there, and that'll burn until it consumes that. Plenty of time, even if the wood is wet, to get a fire going. Even if you just need to warm up your hands real quick, you can just squirt some of that down and put your hands under there and don't burn off your fingers. But that's it. There's your portable hand warmer, sanitizer, and fire starter all in one. And yeah, there you go. 4 more ways to easily get a fire started. No hassle. It's not showy. You're not going to be posting this on Instagram to get all the followers. It's going to be helpful. It could save your life. And that's it. That's all I got to say. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you like this kind of stuff, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit the sub button. Or check out one of these videos here and here. And yeah, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.